के निगरान वज़ीर-ए-आज़म अनवार-उल-हक काकड़ मारूफ थिंक टैंक काउंसिल ऑफ फॉरेन रिलेशन से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं।
As we got our new census, how many people we have in Pakistan. Now we have got data which is we believe a correct, and on the basis of that data we need to create these constituencies, and then a process is there, again a lawful process where the people come and they can file there and vote for the new government.
Thank you, that's helpful. You mentioned one of your responsibilities leading the caretaker administration will be security for that election period.
निगरान वज़ीर-ए-आज़म अनवार-उल-हक काकड़ इस वक्त मारूफ थिंक टैंक काउंसिल ऑफ फॉरेन रिलेशन से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि नए जमहूरी दौर के हवाले से पुरुम्मीद हैं। मुंतखब हुकूमत के पाकिस्तान में आने तक निगरान हुकूमत आईनी हैसियत रखती है।
Documented in mankind's history with the presence of 20 years. If that could not be attained by militaries from Australia to US, from US to UK, from UK to, you just name it, how could, on a realistic account, that it should be expected of an insurgent group which was fighting all these forces for the last 20 years, and they've been just morphed into a role where they have to take up the governance role. So an insurgent group who only knows fight or how to fight has all of a sudden have to manage that violence, collect taxes, deliver on education account, health services. It's a bit ambitious. And in that ambition, I feel, because we have direct implications, my soldiers are being killed on a daily basis. Civilian populace is being targeted on daily basis, particularly in the two provinces of Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We have to set the milestones which are achievable, which are doable. And we do believe that we are not alone in resolving this issue, because the threat at a level, it is imminent for Pakistan, but in the midterm future, I feel it is a threat to the whole of region. So a regional approach is required along with all the neighborhood of Afghanistan. I recall here a prescient couplet of poet of East, who we call and identify as Dr. Muhammad Iqbal. He's commented on the situation of Afghanistan in a very interesting Persian couplet that Asya yak pekare abo gilast, millat Afghan daran dilast, dar kushade u kushade Asya, dar fasade u fasade Asya. That the body politic of entire Asia is like an idol, and the nation or nationhood of Afghan is placed like a heart in that idol. And if there is a chaos in the heart, there would be chaos in the whole of Asia. And if there is peace in heart, there would be peace in the whole of continent. This is the guiding principle. This is
निगरान वज़ीर-ए-आज़म अनवार-उल-हक काकड़ मारूफ थिंक टैंक काउंसिल ऑफ फॉरेन रिलेशन से इस वक्त गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।